Welcome to Turbo Option Trading. That is us. Now, what do we have to offer you? We have a list of menu items, option trading for beginners. We also have stock trading for beginners. We have the free 5-day trial. You can sign up and take 5 days of market hours with us. We empower your trading, get three stocks, hot stocks that can make you money. Then we have the monthly alert service. Now, let me show you some of the material. Stock trading for beginners. We will have a live link just like I'm showing you right now. And we have examples and whatnot. But when we get over here, you're going to learn everything about technical analysis that will be on the page. Learn everything about charting and what candlestick patterns mean. Then you're going to learn everything about moving averages. And we give you a couple of examples, just like it's written in our book and our manual. And then all of the indicators that you will learn, okay? And it's all written out and it's very thorough and it's very, very easy to use. This is what will be up there. You're going to learn everything about candlesticks and Japanese candlesticks and what they move when it comes to charting. In the manual, simple moving averages, you'll get the overview, you'll get the interpretation, and then you'll get the example with live market hours. So everything is written out and it's very defined and it's going to be a very simple process. And after a 7-day period, you will be able to trade stocks just as good as anyone. And as you learn what they are, we have it all written out and we have a complete manual that most people will never get their hands on, I can tell you. And learning about Bollinger Bands and learning about Keltner channels, and we have it all written out. Yes, we do. And it's our way of bringing it to you in the most simple, easy format that is applicable during live trading hours when trading your stocks. And it's going to be your guide as to why stocks go up or down and what everything means. When you do sign up, then you will be able to download the sections of our manual and you'll have it in front of you. And then you'll be in a live classroom setting just like we're going through this. So, this is everything that you will be learning and I have made it simple, and it took a number of years to get it written out where it would be applicable but simple. And then how to use it, and then understanding if I'm looking at a chart, just to give you an idea, here, let's pull the Google chart up. If I'm looking at a chart, what do the candlesticks mean and what are the patterns of candlesticks for new stock trading beginners? You are going to have all of that along with thousands and thousands of live trades and live videos. And they're all with live traders and it's all laid out and it's a very simple, easy to use website. 1, 2, 3, and off you go. So welcome to turbooptiontrading.com and welcome to technical analysis training for beginners, stock trading for beginners, trading option for beginners. And we do it with you with live market hours and we go over the charts and we do the actual trades so that it's real. It's not just written out. No, you get to go through the real process with the real trades and follow along. Not only that, we will set you up with the paper trading so that you will learn how to submit a trade and then exit a trade and all the things that one needs. We have it for the beginners and we have it for the medium and we also have it for the advanced. After 35 years of understanding charts and moving averages and technical indicators, we think that we can empower you. And there's a lot of new people these days that want to be involved in the market. Well, you need to master a few things so that you can get through the marketplace. But welcome to us. Welcome to our manual. We have probably one of the best training manuals ever written. And yes, we do. And we're here to train you today.